In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo as a header and footer in Excel. Let's open a document. This is a multi-column table that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to add a logo to this data as a header or footer. To do this, in the title bar, click on Insert. In the menu bar, click on Header and Footer. You can see that the datasheet has been converted to page layout, and the header section is divided into 3 parts where you can add your header. Select the part where you want to add your logo. In the menu bar, click on Picture. A pop-up menu should appear where you can select the location of your logo image. Here you can select an image from your computer, the internet, or your drive. My image is saved on my computer, so I will select from a file. Select your image and click on Insert. In my selected header section, the picture is in text format, but if I click anywhere in the datasheet, the picture becomes visible according to its size. Though the picture is visible, it is nearly consuming the whole page, but we want it to be only in the header section. To do this, click on your selected header section again. It will open a new menu called Header and Footer. Click on Header and Footer. From the menu bar, click on Picture Format. From here, you have to decrease the size of the image. Here, you have to try a couple of times to get the perfect image size. For trying, let's add 10 first. Click on OK. Click anywhere in the datasheet again for a preview. The picture is still overlapping the sheet, which means we have to decrease the size again. Just like before, click on your selected header section again. Click on Picture Format. This time, let's change the size to 5. Click on OK. Click anywhere in the sheet. This time, it is a perfect fit. Following the same steps, you can add the logo as a footer also. Just select the part of the footer. Now insert and resize the image just like before. Let's get a print preview of the sheet. Click on File. In the left side menu, click on Print. Here, you can see how our logo will look on the sheet after printing. You can see that we have successfully added a logo as a header and footer.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.